Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Wherever you're watching this video from, thank you so much for your support. Today we will be making mango habanero fried chicken. This is super delicious, I must say. Alright, so to get started, these are our ingredients and they will be listed in the description box below. I would have already washed our chicken with some lime and vinegar. I do have some mango habanero sauce, some poultry seasoning and parsley, chicken bouillon, some mango powder, some black pepper, onion and garlic powder, 1 egg, smoked paprika, some buttermilk, cornstarch, and some flour. So in a large bowl to make our batter, I will add the buttermilk, the mango habanero sauce, 1 egg, mango powder, chicken bouillon, garlic and onion powder, some black pepper, some smoked paprika, poultry seasoning, and parsley, and we will whisk this together. This is one amazing, delicious batter. This would make your chicken so crunchy on the outside and flavorful from the mango powder and the habanero sauce. Now we will coat the chicken with this beautiful mixture. Make sure everything is really combined. You're gonna mix everything in well, and we will let this sit in the marinade for about an hour, hour and a half. Cover with a saran wrap and we can place this back in our refrigerator. So to our flour, I'm adding some cornstarch, some smoked paprika, some mango powder, some black pepper, and we will whisk together. Make sure everything is incorporated nice within the flour. You want a really flavorful flour to dredge your chicken. We add some parsley and some garlic salt. So it is about 1 hour. I remove the saran wrap and now we will flour the chicken. So before doing so, we will shake all the excess batter off and then apply the flour. Make sure to coat this chicken really well all over. You need the batter, that crunch, that flavor. You don't want to miss a spot. So now what we will do is shake the excess flour off of the chicken. There you go. All right, like that. And then you place it on a baking rock or a pan. And we will actually do this process for all of the chicken. Dust off the excess flour and let that rest. Guys, again, I would like to encourage you to please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Hit that notification button also. And now it's time for us to head to the fryer. So I did drop an habanero pepper so as to give my oil extra flavor. We will fry this about 300 degrees on medium high heat. We are looking for the golden crunch on the outside and that juicy, flavorful mango habanero taste on the inside. Again, this is a mango habanero fried chicken. Look at that color. Absolutely amazing. Look at that crunch, guys. Now come on. You see that? Yep. Now we will fry our second batch. And guys, please, please, please make sure to check your oil and the temperature and regulate that. And keep stirring your chicken. You don't want it to paste together. Yep. And there it is, guys. Our delicious mango habanero fried chicken. Look at the crunch. This is flavor in every bite. Okay. So now for us to make our sauce, I have some mango powder. I'm also adding the mango habanero sauce. And I'm mixing both together. I want to intensify the flavor of the sauce. So I'll whisk that together until the powder has combined. I did add 1 tablespoon of ginger and then I'll go ahead and coat the chicken. So I'm coating it really well because we're about to eat. But guys, you can coat it just lightly, you know, if you want to keep that crunch on there for a really long time. Or you can eat as is, your choice. Either way, the chicken is absolutely delicious. My son is doing a test here, guys, and let's see what it looks like on the inside. Amazing. Again, thank you all so very much for your support and do enjoy. Bye-bye.